So that's how it mounted. And this one goes up there. 2021 Ford Mustang customer purchased some aftermarket speakers, and we're going to take the door panel apart and replace the speakers. This speaker is supposed to be 3-inch, but the clutch field sells 3.5. We have to modify a little bit. I did it on passenger side. I'll show you how we did it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this panel there. You need a little pokey tool like that, and simply remove that panel behind the handle. And it should be a number 10 bolt. You're going to have to remove that. There's a little cutout. Very top, there's a little cutout. That's where you're going to put your pokey tool here to grab and pull. And there is a number 10 right here. And we're going to remove this switch panel. Start it from the corner. Have this out, carefully pull up and disconnect this switch right there. And there is another bolt right there. And those are number 10. Straight plug right here, another one here. So those are number 7. Remove that. 2 of them there. Once you have, you're just going to pull forward. Carefully go all the way around. Pop that up. This corner is kind of tight, so we're going to use a little pry bar to remove that. Pull it straight up. Disconnect these cables. There's a little locking pin, so you got to push that inward, then pull. Hold on. So you are pushing these two pins inside, then pull to the back to release. Right. So remove these screws here. I'll put the link for the spacers that you can get online. Pull forward. There's two ways to do it. One, sometimes we don't use spacer. We just cut out this basket and just use this plastic piece as a spacer. That's one way to do it. Or they sell, Metro makes the spacer shaped just like this, and you just simply use that. This one, it's supposed to be 3-inch, but since there is no 3-inch speakers, you're going to modify a little bit on 3.5. What you're going to have to do is, once you remove the speaker, so this basket is soldered onto this, and the 3.5 obviously doesn't fit because it's bigger than this, so we're going to have to grind this back part to make it larger, so 3.5 fits in place using same basket. So remove 2 screws. Disconnect that. We're going to put new wires onto this. Cut this. Yeah. Get rid of it. Now this, I'll show you the new speaker. This is a replacement speaker. As you can see, it doesn't fit. So what you're going to have to do is, where the speaker terminal is going to be at, you're going to have to shave it off so it fits in place. Then we're going to solder these crossover wires onto the existing terminal right there, so we can use the same plug. So he ground it off to make it fit inside. Fits in like that, and we're just going to solder those 2 wires onto the factory terminal right here. Okay, solder that to this. Okay. So basically just grinding it off. Okay, so what we did, the original speaker is mounted here, and they actually have copper wire soldered onto here. So we cut that off. We also had to grind a little bit here because this is a little bit oversized. So I put that in, then I solder the wires onto the copper terminal that used to be connected to the factory one, which is, let me see if I can show you. So I solder the wires onto the existing terminal, so you can still use the factory plug right here. So he ground it off to make it fit inside. Fits in like that, and we're just going to solder those 2 wires onto the factory terminal right here. Okay, solder that to this. Okay. Got those 2 clips out on both sides, and you just simply lift that up like that, and clear that plastic panel and pull forward, and the entire deck comes out like that. Not that difficult. The hardest part is to get that plastic clips off behind this plastic panel. Once you have done that, the entire deck comes out. Now you can access the speakers. This car is a tinted dark, so it's hard to see. So remove those 7mm, and the speaker comes out mounted. So that's the speaker wire, obviously. The one on the right, looking at this way, terminal toward to you. The one on the right is positive side. The one on the left is negative side. You do the same thing on all 4 speakers and you'll be fine. Okay, so we mount the speakers on the top. Yes, sir. Good? Mm-hmm. All right, let's put the panel back together. Just reinstall the rear deck. And don't forget the clips behind these panels on both sides. And put the side panel, the pillow by the glass, back in place. That's it. And this side. That's how you do it. No big deal.